Hey and welcome. Have you been thinking about starting a digital income stream, but you're not sure if you're quite ready yet? You are not alone. In this video, I share 5 signs that you are ready to start your first step and start building the financial independence you are dreaming of. Digital income streams offer flexibility, extra income, and the potential to create the life you want. And the best part is you don't actually have to quit your 9-to-5 job. You can start slowly, but let's talk about the 5 signs that you are ready to start. Sign number 1 is you are craving financial security or financial freedom. You might have a full-time job, a part-time job, or one income stream where all your money is coming from. But when you think about you might lose that one income stream, your full-time job, where would you stand, if you don't have your job? And you maybe have some anxiety around it because you're asking yourself, if I lose my job, how can I survive? How can I pay my bills? And just the thought of this could really cause some financial stress, and you long for more security. If you're feeling that way, then maybe a digital income stream could be the right thing for you. And also, by creating a digital income stream, you never know what kind of opportunities can come from this new project. And of course, an additional income stream can mean that you maybe can save more money for an emergency, but it also means that you maybe want to have a special holiday you're saving up for. Both examples are just one step further to your financial freedom. Sign number 2, you have a skill or passion you're ready to monetize. A lot of people already have skills or a passion they are doing or they are thinking about it, and it's just this one step further where you want to try to make money out of it. It could be anything from designing, writing, to teaching. I think if you're at that stage, congratulations, I think you are further than so many other people. I really love productivity and tools to get more productive. But yeah, that's one reason I started selling digital products on Etsy. I already loved using these tools, and I thought creating PDFs, which can also enhance one's productivity, would be appealing to an audience. And I really love creating actually these PDFs. I love the design part of it, and I also love talking to customers and learn more about them on Etsy. This is just one example to show you that you might be really ready if you have a skill or passion to monetize it. Sign number 3 is you are looking for flexibility. So obviously we have often a very structured life. We wake up, we go to work, we spend all our time at work, and then we come home, and then we maybe have a little bit of an evening routine. It could be anything from cooking to watching something like that. But what if you really want more flexibility? You don't want to spend all your time at work. So an online income stream can maybe provide you with more flexibility. You could, work only 4 days a week, or you can go even as a freelancer and take on projects. So that could also be a possibility when it comes to flexibility. I don't know how you feel, but I love just taking on projects. And obviously you have your work, and normally your work consumes pretty much all of your time. But when you have a project where you're probably also more passionate about it, it really can revive your motivation, and this flexibility you get from it can also just enhance your lifestyle. I'm, for example, a mom of 2, and if you are a parent, you have definitely automatically this feeling of I need to be more flexible for my kids. I want to spend a little bit more time with them during the day, so I can, for example, pick them up at around 4 and then spend the rest of the day with them. I don't have to work until 5 or 6 because I have the flexibility. Sign number 4, you are ready to put in the effort. That is a very, very important sign because if you don't have a bit of a pain point in your life, for example, you're really bored of your job, or it's really annoying, or some aspect of your job is really not doing it for yourself anymore, then you probably feel more motivated to put in the effort. Because let's be honest, creating a digital income stream, you do need to have to spend some time and effort in that. It's a little bit of a myth that you just spend 2 hours and then you put something online and then it will sell like crazy. And especially if you're working out and you never have created a digital income stream, a digital product, then it will take you some time to learn about it and to test it, you know, to put yourself out there, to put your products out there and see what the audience says. So this will take a little bit of time, but if you're ready to kind of really put the effort in and also kind of have the patience and perseverance, then you're definitely ready. And sign number 5 is that you're tired of waiting for the perfect moment. Spoiler alert, there will never be a perfect moment, but if you have figured that out, you've come very far. Especially if you have been thinking about it for quite a while, then I would say now is the right time to start. And also don't think you have to create something and it's like a big explosion and fireworks. That is also not really realistic. I would say it really takes little steps, small steps to build your income stream, you know, step by step. And by watching this video, you already have done one of the first steps. I think you sometimes maybe just need a constant reminder of what is realistic and that you can do it, and I'm all here for it. So here are all the signs again. You are craving financial freedom, financial security. You have a skill or passion you want to monetize. You are looking for flexibility and you're ready to put in the effort. As well as you are tired to just wait for the perfect moment. If you experienced any of those 5 signs, then this is a sign for you to get started. The key is to make the first step. Let me know in the comments down below which sign you have experienced. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. You've got this. Bye!